The new Audi Vehicle Safety Center on the incampus premises in Ingolstadt provides significantly improved and state-of-the-art crash test facilities. Around 100 million euros were invested in the facility. Among its features are a 250-meter run-up track, a mobile 100-ton crash block, and the ability to collide two vehicles at a 90-degree angle. As a premium brand, Audi is committed to meeting heightened requirements that go beyond current international standards. In this footage, the Audi team are testing a rear-end crash scenario with a new 2023 Audi Q8 e-tron Sportback.